Ibrahim from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
If a son wants to start a business, but his mother's income is from an interest-based bank, and she is not giving the money willingly, is the son allowed to keep asking his mother for a gift to start his business? And if a gift is not allowed because of the haram source, can the son insist on taking it as a loan that he will pay back?
We've stated before that the nature of the money can be divided into two types: haram for its nature and haram for the way it was earned. Haram for its nature means that this money cannot be utilized in any way, whether as a gift, inheritance, as a loan, as anything. I stole this phone. I stole it. It's not mine. I cannot give it as a gift and you know it's stolen and you accept it. I cannot lend it to someone and he uses it. I cannot, after death, have my heirs inherit it. This is haram. This is the thing itself, and anything that results from it is haram. It has to be given back to its lawful owner. As for the way it was earned, whether you take it as an interest, as a bribe, as selling alcohol or haram, tobacco and movies and the likes, the money earned is haram for the person who had earned it. Once it exchanges hands, so if I give it to my son, if I give it to my spouse, if I give it as a gift to my neighbor, if I die and someone inherits it, it's halal for them. The money itself is halal. It's not najis, like the stolen money. It's not haram for itself, but rather for the way it was earned, and the one who earned it is the sinful one. The rest are fine with it. Therefore, you can still continue to beg your mom or ask her for a loan. There's no problem in that. Bearing in mind that you have to advise your mom, because you can see clearly she's destined to hell. It's only a matter of when is she going to die. So might as well save her if you can. Advise her, try to remind her of Allah. And I'm sometimes shocked when people think that those doing haram, they're fine with it. They're enjoying themselves. Let them do whatever they want. Knock themselves out. Yahi, you know that they're going to hell. So fine with me. As long as they're happy, I'm fine. That's weird. Vishal from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, I am a revert and at my home everyone is like against me. So how to be steadfast on deen and trust in Allah? Jazakallahu khair.
Wa jazakum. This is your test, akhi. How did the Prophet ﷺ, when he became a messenger of Allah, cope? And how did he deal with all the country around him, all his fellow tribesmen, family, cousins, relatives, friends, and normal people in the community? How did they deal with them when they faced him with animosity, hostility, and violence at times? This is a test from Allah. Be diplomatic, be firm on your belief while being polite and always having a smile on your face, and try to weather the storm. But you have no other alternative. They will always be like that until they see that your transformation is for the better and that you are a better person being a Muslim than you were before, and when Allah Azza wa Jal throws the light in their hearts.